Hi, I'm Seng. So today I'll show you how to set up the top up tier in Genius POS.
Go to the setting and then scroll and you will see there's a top up tier, just click on it. Okay, top up tier means that when you top up certain amount of money and it will give you in a bonus. For example, I give you a tier name which is level A. This one mentions how much should I top up. So let's say for example, if I top up 50 ringgit and I'll get bonus of 5 ringgit. And I add for another level 2, okay, let's say level B for the 100 ringgit and I'll get 10 ringgit. And there's the third level 150 and you will get 20 ringgit for example. So just click save. Okay, then go to the home and go to the customers. Okay, let's say for example I create a customer name as Brian with your phone number of click add. So after that you show customer save. Then you click on this money icon. Then just click top up. So let's say I top up via cash and the amount is 50 ringgit. Just click top up. It will show that I top up 50 ringgit and it's under level A 5 ringgit. So total balance is 55 ringgit that I have. So if I top up for 200 ringgit, so it will show that my top amount is 200 and it's under level C 20 ringgit, so means that I got additional 220 ringgit. So my total is 275. Just bear in mind that if you top up more than 55 ringgit, for example 56 ringgit, it won't add any bonus except the exact amount. And you want to spending, let's go to the cash register, click the I and search for the customer name. Let's say the Brian. Let's click apply. So let's say the customer orders some food, just click pay. So you can charge using the customer account, just click here. And let's say for example your total bill is 60 ringgit and the Brian account has 275, just click on the amount. Let's say you just want to pay for 50 ringgit. Just click apply. So means that it will deduct the 50 ringgit from the customer credit and 10 ringgit you still need to pay for the amount due. Let's say I pay for the 10 ringgit, just click cash in and check out. It will show that your credit balance still has 225 ringgit and 50 ringgit is paid by customer account and 10 ringgit is paid by the cash on the spot. That's all for today. Thank you.
So, chào Genius POS, chào A Seng lah.
Cari POS system, cari A Seng.
Find Genius POS, find A Seng.
Find A Seng.
找POS system,找A Seng.